Chancellor Rachel Reeves has decided to not compensate Waspi Women, leading to outrage from campaigners. My name is Jack Reeves and welcome to this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, where the Waspi Group, representing 3.6 million women affected by changes to the state pension age, has called the Chancellor's decision to not issue compensation unjustified. These women argued that they weren't properly warned about the changes to their state pension age, referring to when it was brought in line with men. A parliamentary ombudsman previously recommended compensation of up to £2,950 each after a 6-year investigation, but also found that around 90% of women knew these changes were coming. The Chancellor has defended the decision, citing the £10.5 billion cost was too high for taxpayers to bear for something that most people knew was happening. Campaigners and some politicians have said that this decision ignores earlier promises of support from the government, which has only added to the financial and emotional strain on affected women. Royal Mail has been hit with a £10.5 million fine from Ofcom for failing to meet delivery targets for first and second class post, almost double what they were fined last year. Ofcom has slammed the company for letting customers down, with millions of late deliveries affecting important posts like medical appointments and legal documents. While Royal Mail says it has made changes to improve, progress has been slow. The Communication on Workers Union has blamed bad management, not strikes, for the missed targets, and Ofcom has dismissed Royal Mail's excuses regarding financial struggles. Speaking of Royal Mail, the UK government has given the green light to a £3.6 billion deal for Czech billionaire Daniel Křetínský's EP Group to take over Royal Mail's parent company, International Distribution Services. As part of the agreement, EP has committed to keeping Royal Mail's headquarters and tax base in the UK for at least 5 years, and it will stick to the universal service obligation that guarantees 6-day-a-week letter deliveries. The government will also retain a golden share that will require them to approve any major changes to the business. EP Group aims to modernise Royal Mail, fix its performance issues and grow their parcel delivery business. Pay growth in the UK has unexpectedly risen for the first time in over a year, with wages excluding bonuses increasing by 5.2% between August to October, which was higher than inflation. Pay in the private sector saw a bigger boost at 5.4% compared to 4.3% in the public sector. Despite this, the job market is slowing down, with fewer vacancies and a drop in payroll numbers. Analysts say that the growth makes it unlikely that the Bank of England will cut rates any further this week. Ofgem is planning to shake up energy bills by making suppliers offer tariffs without standing charges. Standing charges are fixed fees that people pay regardless of how much energy they use, and have been widely criticised, particularly by those who use less energy. The new plans would let customers choose between a tariff with the usual standing charges or one where the costs are added onto the energy rates. This would help people with low energy use, but may raise bills for those who use more energy. Thanks for joining us this week. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates. We are wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we will see you next time.